What do you think of when you think of financing? Productive farms? Fanciful cityscapes? Exceptional curb appeal? No? Well, you should. Supporting access to responsible 30-year fixed mortgages gets Americans closer to owning their dream home. Government-sponsored enterprises, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, better known as GSEs, essentially transformed the U.S. housing market by making sure all credit-worthy homebuyers have access to responsible mortgages. The GSEs don't make home loans. They bundle banks into mortgage-backed securities, add insurance policies, and sell the bundles to investors around the world. GSE promises payments due from homeowners will be passed on to investors. The GSEs were supposed to only buy loans that promoted the value of their MBS, which attracted the world's top investors, giving banks what they needed to fund affordable mortgages to your clients. Prior to the foreclosure crisis, to increase profits, GSEs bought risky mortgages and even riskier investments called private-backed mortgage securities, or PLS. You probably know them as subprime loans. When the housing market slowed, those PLS proved toxic, sending default rates sky high and nearly destroying the housing market. The U.S. Treasury Department bailed out the GSEs and took controlling ownership of the enterprises. Congress then created the Federal Housing Finance Agency, or FHFA, to regulate the GSEs and run them while under government control. Now, it's time to end the government conservatorship and return the GSEs to private ownership, while at the same time prevent them from buying risky investments in the future. Current proposals aim to limit risk by reducing the size of Fannie and Freddie and establishing additional GSEs called private guarantors. But this change could reduce access to the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage, raise costs, and reduce support for new homeowners and rental housing. NAR has a different vision. In our proposed market utility model, Treasury would sell its shares to the private market and FHFA would relinquish control to the new private owners. However, FHFA would still have oversight over Fannie and Freddie to ensure fidelity to the mission of responsible mortgage lending. This plan would limit risk to taxpayers and limit the disruption to the housing market, supporting homeownership and competition. NAR is guiding the way, partnering with academic and Wall Street leaders, and meeting with Congress and the White House. It's NAR's job to represent members' interests, and it's our mission to produce, promote, and support regulations that protect the future of your business, your clients, and most important, the real estate industry. Together, we are a collective force of more than 1.4 million individuals. Join us in the fight to protect taxpayers and your clients' access to 30-year fixed-rate mortgages. Stay informed at nar.realtor/GSE Vision. Support NAR's calls to action, spread the word to your coworkers, cooperative agents, and your clients, and engage federal and state legislators whenever possible. You can be part of the solution.